It's Gucci! Hi guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today I bought my first Gucci handbag and I want to unbox it. Okay, yeah, you can see these sellotapes and so on because I bought it in Germany and then my dad brought it to the UK, so he had to sellotape it again. He had to open it to make sure that the bag is inside because nowadays a lot of things happen with DHL delivery drivers. So I'm gonna open this and show you guys. It's so beautiful, guys. So this is a quick video. I am so excited. I swear to God, I'm so excited. This is like a prodigal son, like a prodigal bag handbag. I've been waiting for this bag like a prodigal son or prodigal daughter. Like, let's go. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's from Fashionette, guys. It's Gucci. La la ta 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 ta. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Gucci. One and only. With the visit and everything, guys. This is original, you know. No fake. So, guys, this is it. I'll put everything you need in the description box. The price of the bag and everything. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. You see, guys, this is everything. Oh, at the back we got Gucci, 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 baby, Gucci, 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 Gucci shoe from my brother. Say hi, Steve. Hello. Oh, Steve, I call him Uncle Steve. He calls me Auntie. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.